Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change the color of your text into your messages in Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Chat application, and after that just simply open any of the chat where you would like to send the text. And now after opening the text, you will get to see this plus icon into the bottom left corner. Tap into that option and then select this format option at the second last. Now after tapping into format, you will get to see this A icon. Just simply tap there and you can select colors among red, blue, green, yellow and gray. I'm selecting this yellow color for now and just simply write down your message. And then tap the send button. Your message on chat will show up in the color that you have selected. This way you can really customize your text and text color into Google Chat. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.